Thanks, everybody. My name's Matt Galligan, and I'm here to present our company that we started last year and the product that we've been building over the last year, Simple Geo. So a quick and very quick history. We started off the company as building location-based games. It was something that we were really excited about, thought that it was really powerful, but we kind of discovered something. We discovered that the location infrastructure wasn't that easy to build. And we also realized that there was really actually no hosted geospatial platform for applications. You know, you've got social features from Facebook, you've got a shopping cart from PayPal, but why not location? So we decided to build that. So Simple Geo is a way to save time, money, and enable scale by providing ready-to-use location infrastructure. What exactly is it? Well, we've got a couple different components. First is a storage engine. We've built a scalable, cloud-based storage for your geodata. We can store your check-ins, we can store all of the points of interest that you've got, and everything into a private layer. And then you retrieve any of the data by performing pretty common geospatial and spatiotemporal queries. How does it work? Well, we needed a really fast read and write database. And lacking any existing solution, we decided to build our own. We built something we called Giselle, which is basically a massively scalable, multi-home, multi-master distributed geospatial database that was based off of Cassandra. Now, we have built-in redundancy. Anytime data actually comes into the platform, it gets distributed to all three of our data centers immediately, and we'll be expanding to other data centers later. Any users that you have that connect to the API connect directly to the nearest physical data center. All of the backups that we perform go straight to your Amazon S3 account, so we make sure that you own that data. We'd like to announce a iTunes for geodata, if you will. Our marketplace is a way to discover all kinds of geodata. It's all normalized, it's a common query language, and the access to the actual geodata can either be free or subscription-based. And if you've got geodata and you want to have it in the hands of developers, by all means, put it into our marketplace, and we'd be happy to expose it for you. Now, pretty soon, we're going to have a pretty powerful visualization and analytics tool. This is real-time. We are going to give comprehensive statistics and the data against the usage. Let's see here. We'll have time-controlled heat maps, and that basically means that they'll be able to warp against a map based on the real-time data. And then they'll have the ability to do point clusters based on various boundaries. This will expand quite a bit later on. To give you a sample of what that might look like. What you're seeing here is all the real-time geodata that we were pulling in from various sources across the web. You'll see Foursquare check-ins, Brightkite check-ins, Gowalla check-ins, all in real time, and you're seeing it mapped against specific times. You'll start to see trends. So in a few minutes, you're going to see from the top right of the screen, people moving along the interstate down to downtown Austin, which is pretty incredible. This is the kind of capability that we'll be giving out to any developer that's wanting to build their back-end infrastructure with Simple Geo. It's a pretty powerful device because you can then be able to go back and understand what's going on with your data. I think it's pretty, so I like to play it often. To round out the offering, we've got a few extra tools that we're tossing in there. Reverse Geocoder, most of you know about this. This is built into the platform, makes it really easy for you to perform a reverse geocode. We have a push pin service that we'll be pushing out later. You give us a coordinate, we're going to tell you all the polygons that actually lies within. And so that can be powerful for telling you state, city, neighborhood, zip, anything that you need to know about where a specific point actually lives. We do give you the ability to build these apps very fast. We have client libraries already built in Python, PHP, Objective-C. We actually have users that have now contributed Ruby and C# libraries, and so we'll be improving that support over time. We've already built an iPhone SDK, and we'll have an Android SDK rolling out soon, and that makes it really dead simple to build these location-based apps. The augmented reality SDK is actually part of the iPhone SDK. And something we're announcing is that's going open source. And so if you're interested in augmented reality, help us build that. We've already got a few apps up and running in the iTunes store that are built on our augmented reality SDK. So to announce a few partners, we're really excited about the work that we're doing with a lot of these folks. They're very familiar names. Basically, they're all going to be working with us in various ways. Jakarta, Esri, being able to use our storage engine to be able to power any of that world. We've got Metacarta that's going to be contributing their incredible platform. We've got Weather Decision Technologies contributing weather data. It's a powerful slide that we've got up here. We've got a lot of people that are excited about this platform, and we're very excited about these partnerships. So the question is, when can you use it? Well, I guess the cat is out of the bag. That is today. Thank you very much. This is Simple Geo.